everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to explore an interesting phenomenon. Why is fog more commonly seen in the morning than at noon?
This question seems simple, but there are many interesting scientific principles behind it. Let's uncover this mystery together.
Fog is formed by the condensation of water vapor into tiny droplets in the air. The three main conditions for fog formation are humidity, temperature, and atmospheric stability. It's similar to the clouds we see in the sky, but fog forms near the ground. The temperature is usually lower in the morning, and the surface temperature drops, causing water vapor in the air to condense into fog more easily. This is due to radiational cooling at night, which cools the surface rapidly while the upper air remains relatively warm. This temperature inversion helps in fog formation, especially in the high humidity of the morning. Now, let's compare the scenes of the morning and noon. As you can see, there is noticeable fog in the morning, but almost none at noon.
We filmed these scenes in parks and mountains, showcasing the foggy mornings.
You can more intuitively understand the different weather phenomena in the morning. Here is a simple atmospheric diagram showing how temperature changes with height and how humidity differs in the morning and at noon. As shown in the diagram, the surface temperature is lower in the morning while the upper air is relatively warm. This temperature difference makes it easier for water vapor to condense into fog. In this way, we can better understand why fog forms more easily in the morning. Next, we will conduct a small experiment to simulate fog formation. We need a glass bottle, hot water, ice cubes, a plastic bag, and matches. First, we pour some hot water into the glass bottle to heat the inner walls. After about 30 seconds, we pour out the hot water. Light a match, quickly drop it into the bottle, and the bottle will have a small amount of smoke, which helps the water vapor condense into tiny droplets to form fog. Immediately cover the bottle with the ice bag, creating a temperature difference between the inside and outside of the bottle. You will see fog gradually forming on the bottle. This experiment demonstrates how temperature differences cause water vapor to condense into tiny droplets, forming fog. The hot air inside the bottle meets the cold air at the bottle's mouth, causing the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets. The smoke from the burning match provides condensation nuclei, helping the water vapor form droplets more easily. Morning fog significantly affects traffic, reducing visibility and making driving hazardous. Under such conditions, drivers need to be more cautious, drive slowly, and use fog lights. We can see the traffic flow and visibility conditions in the morning, clearly affected by the fog. Fog also affects farmland by providing additional moisture, which benefits crop growth. In agricultural areas, fog can help reduce irrigation needs and keep the soil moist. This is very beneficial for crop growth, especially during dry seasons. To summarize, fog is more commonly seen in the morning than at noon because the low temperatures and high humidity in the morning make it easier for water vapor to condense into fog. Through today's video, we learned about the principles of fog formation in the morning. Next time, you can observe this interesting natural phenomenon yourself.